I was telling a couple of friends about how the JNet group are connectors, how we bring people of like minds together. And they asked me, is this a social networking site? And I said, no, this is something much more than that. This is something tangible. This is real.
So there's a saying that it's not always what you know, but who you know, which highlights the meaning of networking.
That's what we're trying to do. That's what we're trying to achieve. Connecting
with young professionals, sharing ideas, sharing plans that will sometimes open opportunities that you did not know existed.
When you think about connecting and what JNet Group does and how we want to connect people or be that hub to help connect people, that's what it's all about.